Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my next lecture that is going to be on the next era in the history of English literature, Jacobean and Caroline age. Jacobean age was the period between 1603 to 1625. The name of this era is named after James I. The Latin word for James is Jacobus, therefore it is called as the Jacobean age. And similarly, Caroline age was the period between 1625 do correct the year, it is 1625 to 1649. The name of this era is named after Charles I. The Latin word for Charles is Carolus, therefore it is called as the Caroline age. Next, we have the important events that took place during this era. Now, during the Caroline age, civil war was fought between 1642 to 1649. It was between King Charles I, King Charles II and the Parliament of England. There was a division of England in two parts, not physically but mentally. First were the Royalists. The followers of Charles I were called as the Royalists, in which we also have the Cavalier poets. The Cavalier poets also supported Charles I. And second were those who were in the support of the Parliament. Oliver Cromwell was a major leader of the Parliament of England and he defeated Charles I. Now, Oliver Cromwell became the Lord Protector of England and monarchy was abolished, so there wasn't any king ruling there. So, this period between 1649 to 1660 is known as the Commonwealth period or the interregnum. Oliver Cromwell also banned theatre in 1642 and adultery was punishable by his law. Now let's talk about the important writer of this period. First we have Ben Jonson. He was the England's first poet laureate. He invented anti-mass. He wrote Sejanus, it is a tragedy, and Volpone, it comes under city comedy and Beast Feeble. Next he wrote Everyman in His Humour and The Alchemist, they both are the comedies. Next writer is John Webster. He wrote A Duchess of Malfi and The White Devil. Next important writer of this period is John Milton. He wrote Paradise Lost, it is in 12 books. It is an epic poem written in blank verse. The poem concerns the biblical story of the fall of the man. Next he wrote Lycidas, it is an elegy. Paradise Regained, it is a poem. Samson Agonistic, it is a drama in blank verse. These both were published together. Next we have John Bunyan's Pilgrim's Progress. It is a Christian allegory regarded as one of the most significant works of religious theological fiction and English literature. Next we have Robert Burton. Robert Burton wrote Anatomy of Melancholy. It is a prose work written in 4 parts. Next we have metaphysical poets. Metaphysical was coined by the critic Samuel Johnson to describe a loose group of 17th century English poets whose work was characterized by the inventive use of conceits. Here we have John Donne, Henry Vaughan, Andrew Marvell, Abraham Cowley, George Herbert, Richard Crashaw. And next we have the Cavalier poets who were loyal to Charles I. Here we have Robert Herrick, Thomas Carew, Sir John Suckling and Richard Lovelace. And last we have the Sons of Ben or the Tribe of Ben. They were the followers of Ben Jonson. Here we have 11 playwrights: Richard Brome, Thomas Nab, Henry Glapthorne, Thomas Killigrew, Sir William Damnon, William Cartwright, Chacoley Marmion, Jasper Mann, Peter Hosted, Thomas Randolph and William Cavendish. So that's it for this video lecture. If you have any kind of query, please make use of the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.